We already established our sighted angles. In order to find our first vanishing point, we actually have to sight one more angle. So we'll use the methods that we've been using all through this unit. I'm going to grab, so that I'm confidently measuring from the same spot, I'm going to grab the angle that I have put on my page to relate to the line between foot 1 and foot 2. I'm pulling it up on my drawing. It seems to still relate. I can trust it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it up to the edge of foot number 4. And if this chair was presenting itself as it actually is, we would see this little foot number 3 fall along that same parallel edge. However, we're seeing that warping or skewing in 2-point perspective. So now I'm going to just rotate the angle, getting a little bit of friction off of my drawing board, so that my measuring stick does properly align with the base of foot 3 and the base of foot 4. And then I'm going to take that angle down to my drawing. I'm placing it right at the location of foot 2, and then I'm just going to take my pencil and draw a little tick mark where that line was intersecting. Then I'll switch to my ruler, and I'm going to stretch a long diagonal from the first location to my tick mark. And where those 2 long diagonal edges intersect, I might have to tip this up just a little so you can see. There it is. We are going to place a vanishing point. So our vanishing point is going to live right there. Is it in my camera view? Just about. There we go. Perfect. All right. And so that will be our vanishing point over on this left side. All right. Now that we've found that intersection, that also gives us the information we need to stretch a horizon line out. Remember, the horizon line is the horizontal line on which your vanishing points are located. It also relates to your eye level as you observe this object. Okay, so I've pulled a nice long horizontal out. Pretty straight. Maybe I can do a little bit better. Hold on. Could tell that was wonky. There we go. Make that accurate one darker. All right, so here's my horizon line. And if we look over to the right, something has happened. As I stretch that long horizontal horizon line out, we got a new intersection coming off our diagonal that we made for the right side of the chair. We got it off of pulling foot number 1 and connecting it to foot number 3 before. So that comes up, it meets the horizon line. Both our vanishing points are always going to land on that same horizon line as long as your ground plane is horizontal. It'll stay a horizontal horizon line. So I'm just writing R, V, P, RVR, RVP, right vanishing point. All right, now all of the planes that, and edges that run parallel to the angle created between foot 1 and foot 3 are going to recede to that right-hand vanishing point. And that's really where the magic starts happening. Next video, we'll start using these.